What's up, you guys? I just want to preface this video real quick. My Acura Integra that I've had since 2000. It's been a great car. It's never left me on the side of the road. It actually, I was driving it yesterday and I saw the idle kind of wobble a little when I was on delivery. So I had my camera and going after that, and the car basically, you'll see it just cuts off going down the road. Not able to get it started. Was able to get back to it late that night, and you guys will kind of see from there. But as of now, things are not looking good for the first time. So my Integra is down. So anyway, guys, watch the video. Please leave comments if you've got any questions. If you've seen anything like this, leave a comment. And happy Thanksgiving, everyone. Peace out. What's up, you guys? Little Teg Life video. Actually, my green car broke down on delivery and I just got out of work. I had to go get my other car, old red Teg. So now at 11 o'clock or 11:15, I gotta pedal my ass on my Haro Master in the fucking rainy weather where it's rained to my other car. So that's what I'm gonna do. So I'll see you guys in 3.5 miles. So hopefully I can get my other car started. Peace. Man, I hope this fucking bitch will start. Just get me where I need to be. I definitely smell fuel. Oh, fuck. Come on, baby. Come on, baby, please. Fuck. Alright, guys, I got this bitch running. I don't know why it wouldn't start, crankety clank, but it's definitely fucked up. I mean, I'm gonna have to get this bitch looked at. You can see half my interior lights are out, but I've got about 2 miles to get home. And I don't know why it wouldn't start. I mean, it's running. Once it's cranked, it's running. But, man, what a crazy fucking day, man. I love this car, man. I just hate to see it fucked up. Oh, fuck. Fucking running, man. Well, what the fuck's wrong with this thing? What's up, you guys? My green car broke down last night. I was starting to get it home by the grace of God, I guess. So let's talk about it. I'm gonna pop the hood. All right, I'm gonna try to start it. Wow, did you see that? Oh man. So this thing is dripping, covered in oil. Alright, I'm gonna try to start it with no plugs.
Wow.